Hi everybody, Derek here, and today we're remaking Hulk 1977. I remember we did it back in 2K17, but now we're doing it for 2K20. I think I remember how to do this thing. There you go. He doesn't have any... Oh my god, he doesn't have eyebrows, that's weird. Let's put your... Alright, his eye needs to be green. Makes it look more evil than I imagined. Why is it... It looks kind of... It looks like Little Flash's hair. Or this one is. This looks like Superman. This is a... Why is he wearing a... He has girl's hair. Looks like from Barbie. Why does this look like Barbie? But you need to make it just a little bit longer. And, oh, there it is. There we go. Hulk 1977. Actually, this one... I think it needs to be blue because of how... That's how it was. During the 70s. That's how they make it. Let's see, we need to make his body needs to be like the same exact measurement. That's how you make Hulk 1977. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.